There's this really stupid thing that keeps coming up with men who struggle to make friends. And it's so dumb, and it happens all the time. What happens is that a lot of men don't want to initiate the hangout. They'll be like, yeah, sure, we exchanged contacts, but they didn't ask me if I want to hang out. They didn't text me. So I don't want to be the one to take that first step. Now, guess what? Almost everyone is thinking this. Nobody wants to make the first move, so nobody initiates a hangout, and you don't become friends. Because nobody wants to do this. Everyone is afraid of like being the needy one or whatever. You're afraid of bothering the other person. Guess what? Most people will really appreciate it if you initiate the hangout, okay? It's just some dumb excuse, really. It's just such a stupid way preventing you from making friends. So just force yourself to do that a bit more. Be the one to initiate hangouts. It's not needy, and people will appreciate you for it. Okay, that being said, how do you do that? Well, you just text them. You don't know what to text? Here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna be like, hey, fun to meet you the other day. Do you want to meet up on Saturday at 8 p.m. at this specific bar? Or do you want to join me for a game of ping pong? Or if you want to do a group activity, just text a bunch of friends and be like, hey, I'm going to be doing something with some people on this day at this time or whatever. Do you want to come with? And that's it. There's no magic formula. You can come up with anything. Just ask them. And, you know, yes, they might say no, or they might ignore you, and you're going to feel a bit humiliated. And you'll be fine. It's okay. It's either that or be lonely forever.